Affiliate marketing for beginners, action steps. Guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to Star Funnels. Today we're going to be chatting about affiliate marketing and the first baby steps you need to be taking in order for you to be successful promoting any affiliate marketing program. Okay guys, before we dive into the affiliate marketing for beginners kind of basic action steps, I want to chat about something called the SAM funnel. So if you've been following me along on YouTube, if you're subscribed and you watched my introduction video to the SAM funnel and talked about the hype and then saw my introduction to the 7-day training for SAM funnel, that was all within my plan. But unfortunately, ClickFunnels came out with some really valuable, smart ethics, we should say. And long story short, the SAM funnel was going against their terms of service. And the reason why they have terms of service is to protect themselves, to keep them a strong, good company, always providing a valuable tool, which is ClickFunnels, a funnel builder, right? It's very valuable to many people. They want to hold their company name safe and protected, and I totally respect that. So guys, the SAM funnel, what happened to it? It is dead. It's gone. Word on the street, hype has been saying, oh, they're going to make some tweaks and then represent a SAM 2.0. I'm not sure if that's even true. But today, I'm going to be chatting with you guys about what the SAM funnel did for a lot of people. What were the pros and what are the cons? So let's chat about the pros, okay? The pros, it really motivated and simplified affiliate marketing. It motivated people because they said, hey, you guys can have potential of earning lots of passive income using this system, okay? Which is super cool, right? It seems awesome, exciting. And then it simplified affiliate marketing because it simply said, get ClickFunnels, get the duplicate funnel, clone the funnel, and put your links in there, and then drive traffic to it through solo ads. Bada bing, bada boom. That is affiliate marketing. That is some really basic steps. But a lot of people were finding out that they were not getting the results that they wanted, that maybe they were getting some traffic, maybe getting some signups, but they were getting lost after that. So I would say the con to SAM funnel is there really wasn't the best follow-up system. There was a lot of gray area where people were struggling to try to figure out what they needed to do, what were the next steps. So today, I want to chat with you about what we can do about this. What can we do with affiliate marketing? Where do we pivot? How do we learn from the SAM funnel and grow and progress to do something else? So today, we're going to really just be chatting about affiliate marketing for beginners, basic action steps, some really simple things. In fact, there's 3 things you need to be doing. And if you've done the SAM funnel and you're lost and you didn't really do much, then this is for you. And if you have not done the SAM funnel, who cares? If you're new to affiliate marketing, this is what you need. And this will not only just apply to one specific funnel, like what the SAM funnel was, but this will apply to any funnels that you want to implement and any affiliate marketing product that you want to share or to promote. Okay, so going back to a little bit about what I was planning on doing. I was going to do this 7-day affiliate marketing SAM funnel test, and if you follow the 7 days, and hopefully you would then see results using the platform ClickFunnels, and then for you try. So my goal is to give you action steps within a specific amount of time so you guys can get up and rolling, get the ball rolling to then promote a product and try it, for 7 days and see if you have success. So I'm going to give you guys the framework, the really basic things you need to have set in place in order to then promote a product, okay? Now, as far as promoting a product, you can find so many products. And of course, you need to figure out what your niche is. But if you're in the SAM funnel niche, which really is just like, I would say a business opportunity, online affiliate marketing, promoting digital products, courses, affiliate marketing courses, affiliate marketing software, tools, that kind of thing. So if you're in that niche, then this will definitely apply. Even if you're not in that niche and you're doing affiliate marketing for physical products, I would think that these items, in fact, I know that these items would also help you. So step number 1, get a custom domain name. What is a domain name? It is a website URL. So for example, I use the name Start Funnels. So I have startfunnels.com. I also have the email scott@startfunnels.com. Guys, this is crucial. If you already have a domain name, then you're beyond this. But if you're not, if you're a complete newbie, you need to set this up. The reason being is because you've got to have that custom email domain name. If you do not have that custom email, then your emails that you send in the future will go to spam. So I suggest going to Bluehost and buying your domain name there. It is the easiest if you buy it there, and then set up your email, your custom email all right there, and then you can point and say, I want to make a website using WordPress. Okay, you can do that with your Bluehost. I want to have my URL, my custom domain in my funnels. Well, boom, just point that to a company called ClickFunnels. Okay, now I need to have a custom email, email autoresponder. Well, just point that username and custom email to that. So guys, once again, sign up for Bluehost. If you do not have a domain name, this is a hub. It saves everything and it's like unlimited. You can do whatever you want, and it's like $4 a month. They have great, awesome customer service. If I ever have a question, I can literally just call them on the phone, set this up. So this is not to promote Bluehost, although I will leave a link below, and I am an affiliate for them. But it's more or less just to help you get set up the best effective way to do affiliate marketing, okay? So step number 2 is going with a step number 1 is to get an email autoresponder. I highly suggest GetResponse. The reason why I say get an email autoresponder is because you will be collecting emails. If you do not collect emails, then you're leaving money on the table. And if you're wondering, okay, well, emails are kind of spammy. Well, here's my answer for that. You've got to collect something from your lead or your customer. And that something is a way for you to contact them. Well, the easiest thing for people to give out is their email address. They're not as willing to give out a phone number or their address or that sort of thing. So once you get that one email, then you can do whatever you want with that. You can send them spam if you want. I don't care. I wouldn't suggest doing that. But then you can also send them quality emails. You can go to the extent where you really want to get quality. And in that first email, you can say, hey, my name is Scott. Thank you for considering to do business with me. Here is my phone number. Call me if you have any questions, right? Or I'm going to hop on a Zoom conference call, or let's do a FaceTime video, blah, blah, blah. Like, the sky's the limit, but you first have to get something. So I would suggest getting an email. And don't let that whole email kind of video stuff scare you, because you don't need to do that. With an email autoresponder, it is automatic. That's what affiliate marketing is to be automatic, to be passive, to be a system, right? And so that's what GetResponse will do. And I specifically say GetResponse over Aweber or any other autoresponder. And the reason why is because it's perfect. It works great. Maybe not perfect, but it works really well with affiliate marketing. I've had people that I follow, people that I trust that have tested different email autoresponders with affiliate marketing products, and GetResponse has been proven to be the best. And their platform is easy to learn. It's a low price and best deliverability. That's the best thing that you need is deliverability. Okay. So once again, we're talking about the frameworks of affiliate marketing for beginners and the action steps. So action step number 1, get a domain name if you don't have one already. Step number 2, get an email autoresponder. And step number 3 of affiliate marketing for beginners is to get a funnel builder. Now, I highly suggest using ClickFunnels. Why? Because they are easy to use and they are the best in the industry. They are a company specifically dedicated towards funnels, okay? And if you're not familiar with what funnels are, that's okay. I can give you a brief explanation. It is a website builder to help guide and direct your leads into a desired outcome. Like you have one goal, you want to get an email, you want to get their email. Why? Because you are then going to send them through your get response email autoresponder. So they have the perfect thing for that, for your best opt-in rate. If you want to do all sorts of other stuff. But if you don't have a funnel builder and you're just trying to do affiliate marketing without it, you'll have a hard time and you might be breaking some rules, right? They want you to get like some sort of bridge page. So if you're going to be running an ad, you need to send them to like a landing page, which would be your own funnel, and then you can then promote or send them a link to whatever offer you're going to promote. So I would highly suggest to get those three things: a custom domain name, an email autoresponder, and then of course a funnel builder. So guys, I hope this information was valuable. If you are new to affiliate marketing, this really is the right framework, and I'm going to be sharing more content about this. So guys, it's all about you here. So comment below, let me know if this content was valuable. Also, please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified when I do release the video. And also, please comment below what you'd like to learn, what steps, what action steps do you want and need in your life? Like, where are you stuck right now with affiliate marketing? What do you really need to be successful? Or what are your goals? You know, I really want to reach out and chat with you guys. So please reach out. Once again, thanks for watching. Watch these other videos that are recommended, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.